Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you something special. So there's a tradition that we have in our family. My husband's from Colombia, and in Colombia every December 7th, the beginning of Christmas, they light candles. It's called candle night. So what they do is they make lanterns and they put them in front of their house and they light candles. But here, because of our special weather, it's so cold, I have an idea. I'm thinking to make some ice lanterns. So I'm going to show you how, by using the balloons. So I need an assistant to help me with these icicle lanterns. Assistant, where are you?
Here.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
So you can help me make the icicle lanterns?
Sure.
Okay. So do you know how to do this? So what we do is we fill up the balloons with water, right?
Okay.
So let's fill it up.
Cold water so
Yeah.
it's faster.
I don't spill it out. There we go.
Yeah. Here's another.
And we're going to do a couple of them, and we'll show you.
Should I freeze this one? Get this one ready?
We'll do a couple, and then we'll show them how we're going to freeze it.
Okay.
So we have a bunch of balloons that we put together and put some water inside. So now we're going to take all these balloons. Because it's so cold outside, we're going to place them outside and we're going to wait for them to freeze. But we're going to only wait for them to freeze from the outside. We don't want the center of the balloon to freeze. Having the ice in the inside and the form of the ball, and then we have the center open so we can place the light or the candle. I want it to be a nice bowl, so I'm putting them standing upright. Now we just wait for them to freeze. Hi, so I brought one inside and I just touched it and the balloon fell off, sorry. But you take off the balloon, and I think I left this one outside way too long. But what I'm going to try to do is put some hot water to see if I can open it up a little bit. And there might be some hollowness inside, but I might have to do it again. I need some assistance to help me with this. Hi, Mateo. Hi, Sebastian. You ready to help me?
Yeah.
Ready to help me? Okay, so we're going to try to put some hot water. Maybe a little bit of hot water. Let's see if this works.
Turn it off.
So leave it on for a second. Let's wait for it to get hot. Okay, it's hot. Let's see.
melting it a little. Has to be a little bit hotter. No, it's a good job.
It's starting to work. There's a bit of a hole. And actually the other water is coming out now.
We broke it.
So this one has a hole in the side. It didn't work perfectly with the hole on the top. But what we're going to do is we're going to open up the side and we're going to put one of those battery operated lights inside instead of a candle. One of my assistants, can you put the light inside?
I will.
Does it fit, or do I have to make it a bigger hole?
Bigger hole. Just a tiny bit bigger. That looks good. Here.
Will my other assistant go and turn off the light? And there you go.
You got a nice candle.